These are the very short important questions of Commerce Intermediate second year. From Unit 1 Financial Market, the very short answer questions are 3. Capital Market, Mutual Fund. What do you mean by lame duck? Then from Chapter 2 Stock Exchange, you have Stock Exchange. What do you mean by bulls, bears, stag? From Chapter 3 Banking Services, the very important questions for 2 marks. What is ATM? Mobile banking? What is saving account? What is credit card? What is cash credit? What do you mean by overdraft? From Chapter 2 Insurance and Services, the important questions for 2 marks are endowment policy, surrender value, what is fire insurance, what is the IRDA, time policy. Innovation, adaptive entrepreneur. This is the from Chapter 5th Entrepreneurship, Innovation, Adaptive Entrepreneur. What is enterprise? Drone entrepreneur. Chapter 6 Setting up a business. 2 important very short questions for 2 marks. Project report and bridge loans. From Chapter 7 Internal Trade, the 2 marks very important questions are internal trade, wholesale trade, hawkers and peddlers, cheap jacks, second hand goods shop, second shop, multiple shops. From Chapter 8 International Trade, the 2 marks very short important questions are define warehouse, bonded warehouse, write any 2 difference between internal trade and international trade, bill of lading, exchange rate. From Chapter 10 Functions of Management, 3 other very short 2 important questions for 2 marks. What do you mean by staffing? Meaning of control, define, planning. Commerce long answer questions each carry 10 marks. From Unit 1 Chapter 1 Financial Market, the 2 important questions are what are the difference between money market and capital market? What is money market? Explain its functions. Then what stock exchange, Chapter 2 Stock Exchange, important questions are what is stock exchange? Explain its functions. What is SEBI? What are its functions and powers? What is the procedure of listing securities? From Chapter 3 Banking Services, only one important question is there, define banking and explain its function. And Chapter 5 Entrepreneurship, you have 3 important questions, explain the functions of entrepreneur, define entrepreneur and explain the characteristics, explain the various types of entrepreneurs. From Chapter 6 Setting up of business, only one question is important, explain the steps involved in the preliminary stage of setting up of a business. Then Chapter 9 Principles of Management, explain the principle of management. These are the important questions for Section 1, each carry 10 marks. Answer any 2 you have to write in the exam. Now this is second section, 4 answers you have to write, each carry 5 marks. So Chapter 1 Financial Market, you have 2 important questions. What are the difference between primary market and secondary market? Differentiate between indigenous bankers and money lenders. Chapter 2 Stock Exchange, only one important question, what is BSE? Chapter 3 Banking Service, 3 are the important questions, what is e-banking? Explain any 4 advantages of e-banking and explain the primary functions of banks. Next, third, what are the various types of retail loans? Explain. Chapter 4 Insurance Services, you have 3 important questions, state the features of insurance, explain the powers and functions of IRDA, define insurance, explain the 4 principles of insurance. Only 4 principles you have to explain it here. Then Chapter 5 Entrepreneurship, only one question is important for 5 marks. What are the characteristics of entrepreneur? Chapter 6 Setting up of a business, 2 important questions are there for 5 marks. What are the special provisions enacted by the Telangana state for the MSMEs? And next, how the special support is extended by the government of Telangana to the SC/ST entrepreneur in our state.